Looking for an effective at-home workout? Let's introduce the medicine ball, a versatile fitness game changer. From rookies to fitness buffs, everyone can benefit thanks to the range of weights available. With a medicine ball, you can enjoy a full-body workout right at home. You might wonder, why a medicine ball workout? Well, the answer lies in its impressive benefits. First up, it's a fantastic tool for improving core strength. Those weighted spheres target your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles, enhancing your body's central power hub. But there's more. Medicine balls also enhance balance. This is because they add an extra challenge to your workouts, encouraging your body to stabilize itself and maintain equilibrium. Additionally, they increase coordination. How so? When you toss, catch, or bounce a medicine ball, you're training your body to work as one cohesive unit. And let's not forget about muscle power. The dynamic nature of medicine ball exercises, whether it's throwing, lifting, or twisting, helps to boost your explosive strength. These benefits combined contribute to your overall fitness and health, making you stronger, more agile, and better equipped to tackle your everyday activities. So as you can see, a medicine ball workout offers numerous benefits that can take you a step closer to your fitness goals. Ready to get started with a medicine ball workout? Let's dive right into it. Grab your medicine ball and begin with squats. Hold the ball at chest height, squat down, and rise back up. Next, let's tackle lunges. Step forward, lower your body while keeping the ball steady. Finally, overhead presses. Lift the ball above your head and lower it back down. Remember, proper form is crucial for maximum benefits and injury prevention. Remember, consistency is key. Make a medicine ball workout part of your regular fitness routine, and you'll soon see the benefits. In conclusion, a medicine ball workout offers versatility, adaptability, and effectiveness for all fitness levels. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned athlete, this is a fantastic way to enhance your at-home workouts. Get your hands on a medicine ball today and kickstart your journey to fitness right at home.